Did you know that presentations can make or break a deal? Whether you're pitching a new idea, introducing a product, or simply sharing information, the way you present can have a huge impact on your success. Presentations are powerful tools for sharing ideas, getting your message across, and influencing decisions. They help you connect with your audience, clarify complex topics, and inspire action. A clear and engaging presentation can captivate your audience, leaving a lasting impression that goes far beyond the meeting room. It can spark new conversations and open doors to exciting opportunities. It's true. In the business world, a killer presentation can mean the difference between winning a client or losing out to a competitor. The stakes are high, and every detail matters. But creating a presentation that truly wows your audience isn't always easy. Many people struggle with nerves, time constraints, or simply don't know where to start. It takes time, effort, and a keen eye for design. Crafting slides that are both informative and visually appealing is a skill that requires practice and patience. In today's fast-paced world, finding the time to craft a winning presentation can feel like an impossible task. But with the right approach, you can create presentations that truly stand out and make an impact. That's where Gamma.ai comes in, a smart, intuitive platform designed to be your ultimate presentation partner. Gamma.ai is a game changer, a revolutionary tool that's transforming how we create presentations. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, it streamlines the entire process, making it faster and more enjoyable. Imagine this: you're brimming with a brilliant idea for a presentation, but you're short on time, and maybe design isn't your strong suit. That's a common challenge for many of us. Gamma.ai takes your ideas, even if they're just rough notes or simple text, and instantly transforms them into stunning professional presentations in just minutes. No design expertise required. No more wrestling with complicated software, endless formatting, or spending hours searching for the right design elements. Gamma.ai simplifies everything. Gamma.ai does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what truly matters, crafting your message and delivering it with confidence. Let's face it, creating presentations can be a real drag. We're all busy juggling multiple commitments, and finding the time to create a polished presentation often feels like an added burden. And for those of us who aren't design gurus, the thought of creating visually appealing slides can be daunting. Gamma.ai understands these challenges and offers a solution. It takes the stress out of creating presentations, allowing anyone, regardless of their design experience, to create professional and engaging presentations effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at how Gamma.ai can completely transform the way you create presentations, turning your ideas into something truly magical. All you need to do is simply input your ideas into Gamma.ai. Whether you have a detailed script, a rough outline, or just a few bullet points, Gamma.ai is designed to handle it all with ease. Instantly, Gamma.ai's advanced algorithms analyze your text, understanding the context and structure, and then get to work transforming your content into a visually stunning, well-organized presentation. But the magic doesn't stop at just creating slides. Gamma.ai goes further, offering features that make your workflow smoother and more enjoyable. You have access to a wide range of customization options, so you can easily tailor every aspect of your presentation to fit your unique needs, preferences, and goals. Explore a diverse library of templates, experiment with different color schemes, and select from a variety of fonts to ensure your presentation perfectly matches your style and brand identity. And if you ever find yourself in need of inspiration, Gamma.ai's AI-powered design suggestions are always ready to help, providing creative ideas and smart recommendations to elevate your presentation to the next level. With Gamma.ai, you can create professional, impactful presentations in a fraction of the time it used to take, freeing you up to focus on what matters most, your message. How do you feel about using artificial intelligence to streamline and enhance the presentation creation process? Do you see it as a helpful tool, or do you have concerns? Let us know your thoughts and experiences, And be sure to stay tuned for more exciting updates and innovations in the world of presentation tools.